The TRONXY CRUX1 3D printer is a compact yet powerful mini 3D printer designed for beginners, hobbyists, and home users who want reliable printing performance in a small workspace. With its modern direct drive system, metal guide rails, and PEI printing surface, the printer delivers stable and precise results while remaining easy to use. One of the standout features of the TRONXY CRUX1 is its 180 by 180 by 180 memory printing size, which equals 7.08 inches. This build volume is ideal for creating toys, prototypes, decorative models, and functional parts without taking up too much desk space. Its lightweight and portable design also makes it suitable for classrooms, home offices, and small workshops. The printer comes equipped with a direct drive extruder that provides smoother and more accurate filament feeding. This setup improves printing quality, especially when using flexible materials like TPU. It also helps reduce extrusion issues and supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even wood filament. Another impressive feature is the double OSG-15 metal guide rail system with metal pulleys. These durable guide rails increase motion stability and reduce vibration during printing, allowing the printer to achieve higher precision and smoother layer quality. The upgraded rail system also improves long-term durability compared to traditional plastic wheel systems. The removable PEI sheet offers excellent bed adhesion while making model removal quick and easy. Prints stick firmly during operation and can be detached effortlessly after cooling down. This helps reduce print failures and makes daily use much more convenient for beginners. TRONXY also includes adjustable belt tensioning, allowing users to fine-tune print accuracy and maintain smooth movement over time. Combined with its silent 32-bit motherboard and quiet stepper drivers, the CRUX1 operates with lower noise levels, making it comfortable for indoor use. The 2.8-inch touchscreen display and support for multiple languages make the printer simple to operate. Users can print directly through USB drives or micro SD cards, while features like resume printing and filament detection add extra convenience and reliability during long print jobs. Overall, the TRONXY CRUX1 3D printer is an excellent compact 3D printer that combines precision, quiet operation, and beginner-friendly features at an affordable price. Its direct drive extruder, metal rail system, and PEI sheet make it a strong option for users looking for reliable and high-quality desktop 3D printing.